Hello everyone! Welcome back po muli sa aking YouTube channel. Sa video ito guys, ako nga po pala ay mag-harvest na naman ng aming kangkong. Ayan. So, syempre, sa mga bago lang po sa aking channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-like and subscribe and comment down below and hit niyo na rin po yung notification bell para po updated po kayo sa lahat sa mga susunod ko pang video. So, ayan guys, at samahan nyo po ako na mag-harvest ng aming mga kangkong. Yan, sabi nga like ko nga sinasabi, may pera sa kangkong guys. Ayan, so tiyaga lang tayo. Sipag at tiyaga lang ang puhunan. Siyempre, kailangan ay lagi niyan, meron tayo niyan para po meron tayong maani. Magsipag at magtiyaga lang po tayo guys, magtanim. At ayan, ang kangkong po, pag meron po kayong taniman na tulad po niyan, fish pan, may mga tubig siya. So, maganda po yan. Hindi na po natin kailangang diligan, hindi na po natin kailangang i-cultivate siya at hindi na rin po kailangang abonohan. So, the more na nag-harvest tayo, the more po na dumadami yung kanyang talbos. So, napakaganda po itong gawing pagkakakitaan dahil hindi siya matrabaho guys at syempre ay lagi kang mag-harvest pag dire-diretso na yung kanyang paglago. Ayan.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open and half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
guys, ang kalaban nga lang po natin dito ay sakit ng balakang sa kayuyuko sa pag-harvest po. Pero syempre, pagkatapos mong ma-harvest at may benta mo na sa palengke, yung kangkong ay mapapawi na ang sakit ng balakang guys. Syempre dahil meron ka ng pera. Ayan, so kailangan lang po talaga tayo ay magtiyaga para tayo po ay may nilaga.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
Yan, tiis-tiis lang tayo sa pagyuko-yuko, patuwad-tuwad sa pagpipitas guys. At syempre, mamamalayan natin marami na tayong nakuha. Ayan. So kahit nag-iisa lang po ako dyan, ay sobrang nag-enjoy po ako sa pamimitas ng kangkong guys. Alam nyo po, ang dahon po ng kangkong, isa rin po sa mga pang-antioxidants. Kung di po ako nagkakamali, or yung panglinis po ng ating bituka, ng mga dumi sa ating tiyan. Nakakatulong po yan siya guys. Ayan, at napakaganda po talaga sa kalusugan ng green leafy vegetables. So ayan, mga kananay ko dyan na nagnanais po na magkaroon ng ekstrang pagkakakitaan, hinikayat ko po kayo magtanim po kayo ng kangkong sa inyong bakuran.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping.
Ayan, inabot po pala ako dyan ng dilim sa pagpipitas at hindi ko na po masyadong pinahaba yung video kasi po ay dumilim na nga po. At syempre marami po akong nakuha at marami tayong naibenta sa palengke. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Bye-bye!